Let's be real. Every day, you're bombarded with ads everywhere you look. Most of it just becomes background noise, right? If you're selling with just data or louder ads, you're just adding to the noise. But what if you could actually connect? That's where storytelling comes in. A story isn't just information, it's an invitation. It makes people lean in, listen, and remember you. Stories make people feel something. They build trust and empathy. People buy on emotion, not logic. Stories also make you stand out. Your competitors can copy your product, but not your story. A great story transforms your offer from a commodity into something meaningful. You're not just selling a product, you're selling a transformation. When you sell a story, you build relationships and loyalty. That's how you stop being noise and become the signal. That's the magic of a great story. Every great story follows a timeless structure, and your sales story should too. First, the protagonist, your customer, not you. When your audience sees themselves as the hero, they're instantly engaged. Next, the problem. Describe the challenge your customer faces. Make it real and relatable. Show you understand their world. Then comes the journey, the struggle to solve the problem. Show the frustration and failed attempts. It builds empathy. Now, the solution. This is where your product enters as the guide or tool. Show how it helps the hero win. Finally, share the transformation and results. Use real data or testimonials to show success. This emotional payoff and logical proof make your solution irresistible. That's how you craft a killer sales story. So, how do you put those ingredients together? Use the S.T.A.R formula: situation, tension, action, result. It's a simple way to structure any story: short, sharp, and effective. Example: situation. A marketing agency drowning in chaos, missing deadlines. Tension. Team stressed, clients angry, owner worried about losing business. Action. You introduce your project management software, set up clear timelines, assign tasks. Result. Within a month, no missed deadlines, happier team, and more business from their biggest client. S.T.A.R gives you a complete, satisfying story in just a few lines. It's perfect for emails, presentations, or quick conversations. Use it to make your point and connect fast. Remember, situation, tension, action, result. That's your storytelling shortcut. Use it every time. Knowing the formula is one thing. Delivering a story that connects is another. First, know your audience. Tailor your story to what they care about. Add vivid details. Instead of "a client was struggling," say "Sarah, a florist, was up at 2 a.m. tangled in spreadsheets." Specifics make stories real and memorable. Keep it simple. No tangents, no extra characters, just a clear journey from problem to solution. Short sentences, simple language. Guide your listener smoothly from pain to payoff. Always end with a call to action. After sharing the transformation, invite your listener to take the next step. Ask, "Does that sound familiar?" or "Ready to get results like this?" Don't leave them hanging. A story with a call to action moves people to act. That's how you turn stories into sales. Before you dive in, beware of common storytelling mistakes. First, don't make it all about you or your product's features. Focus on the customer's transformation, not specs. Second, keep it real. Don't exaggerate or invent. Authenticity builds trust. Use real stories and be honest about struggles. Third, keep it short. Attention spans are brief. Make your story strong and to the point. Edit ruthlessly. Cut anything that doesn't serve your main message. Brevity plus emotion is powerful. In the end, storytelling is your best tool to build trust and sell more. Facts can be argued, but a good story is felt. It turns cold leads into warm relationships and one-time buyers into loyal fans. So find your stories and share them. The world doesn't need another sales pitch, it needs your authentic story. Now go get 'em.